This is a Windows Phone 7 app review of Craigslist deLUXE Lite, which is one of the best Craigslist viewers for Windows Phone and available in the marketplace for free. There's also a paid version of this app, but the free version is basically just as good, and it just has that advertisement down here. So that really doesn't get in the way of anything. So in the application, you start off here where you can pick your location, and you can add multiple locations to search. Like we could add another city here, and the selection system for the cities is really easy to use here. And there we go, we added Sierra Vista here. So there's this occasional lag sometimes, but the interface is actually really good, and it's one of the fastest Craigslist apps for Windows Phone 7. You can also change the categories here, and you can pick from all the different categories right here in a nice scrollable list. And in addition to that, you can also change the filters here. So you could set a max price, and if the posts have an image, and if you want to search title only. So it's just like the Craigslist website there, you have all those options. And when you're ready to search, you just type in something like Ford Fusion, and you just search for it, and it'll come up with a list view, and it actually brings in thumbnail images from the posts right on the side. So it's actually better than the Craigslist website, because you can actually see quick little thumbnail previews of each car. So there you see those thumbnails there, and it shows the price right there, and it's all in a nice, easy to view format, and it separates it between the cities too. And you can sort these by price or most recent, and if you sort it by price lowest to highest here, then it'll reload it lowest to highest. So it's a pretty easy little app to use, and it looks really elegant, and it works well, and it makes browsing Craigslist pretty nice on Windows Phone. You can also view it in the content view here, which actually loads in some of the extra words of the post right here. So you can preview the first part of the words while you're scrolling through here. So that once again makes Craigslist even easier to use, because now you have the picture, and you have some of the text, and you have the price there, and it's all in a really nice and easy to use format. Like you can instantly see that this one's a restored salvage before even clicking on it. Or you can view just the thumbnails of all of these, and it gives you the prices there too. So you can view it like that, but the thumbnail view is not the most useful. So once we jump into a car here, it'll load the whole description here, and it has all the words there, and it loads one of the pictures there. And if they put up any other pictures, even if it's from a different picture source like PhotoBucket or something, if you slide over to the photos here, it'll actually load those in. Or if they're just from Craigslist, it'll load those from Craigslist too. And then you can tap on a photo and view it in the full screen there. And there is pinch to zoom, but the panning and stuff isn't the smoothest, so that could be improved. But otherwise, the photo viewing experience is pretty nice because it integrates all those photos right there, and then it has the text part of the ad right here. And if you want to message the person that's selling whatever it is, you just click reply, and you can pick which email you want to send it from. And you can also add cars to your favorites, or whatever else you're buying to your favorites. You can view the next car, previous car. You can view the original post in a web browser. You can map the location there. Or you can share this entry. You can share the Craigslist posting with your friends right there. So the app has a lot of nice things about it. And it's one of the more fluid and, most importantly, one of the most easiest Craigslist apps to use. Some of the other ones are a bit cumbersome to use. If you go back to the main interface here, you can then see your favorites here that you have saved. And being able to save your favorites is pretty useful because there's a lot of junk that you don't want to always see and have to sort through. So like this Mazda RX-8 here. It's in your favorites and it's quick and easy to view at any time. You can even call the contact if they give a phone number to call. However, one thing that needs some improvement is there's no smart links like there would be in the web browser. So if you open the original version here of Craigslist, then there'll actually be those smart links for phone numbers. So that could use some improvement, but compared to all the other Craigslist viewers, this one is definitely the best so far. You can find Craigslist deLUXE in the marketplace for 99 cents if you want the paid version without the ad, or Craigslist deLUXE Lite for free. Subscribe to WM Power Users to catch all the latest reviews.